Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Google Authenticator if it's not working properly. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Use the search bar at the top and search for Authenticator. Select Google Authenticator from the results. Once you're in the app settings, make sure Background App Refresh is enabled. This is important because it allows the app to refresh properly in the background. After enabling it, go back to the main settings menu and use the search bar again. This time, search for iPhone Storage and open the first option. Once you're in iPhone Storage, sort the apps by name and find Google Authenticator. Tap on it to open its storage settings. Next, select Offload App. After the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall App to install it again. This process can help refresh the app and resolve issues that may be preventing Google Authenticator from working correctly. Once the app has been reinstalled, open Google Authenticator and check whether your verification codes are working properly. I hope this video helps. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.